Poland's oil pipeline operator said Sunday repairs are underway to a pipeline carrying oil from Russia to Germany that was temporarily shut down after a leak was discovered. The operator, PERN, said the pipeline is expected to resume normal operations on Tuesday. PERN said it detected the leak near Kody, a town in central Poland about 145 kilometers west of Warsaw. The leak was on one of the two lines that comprise the western section of the Druzhba pipeline. The company said it immediately halted pumping through the faulty pipeline, but the second line was operating normally. Firefighters and emergency services secured the area. An investigation into the cause of the leak was underway, PERN said. The company said in a statement Sunday that crews have reached the damaged section of the pipeline and that repairs were underway. The Druzhba pipeline stretch carries oil from Russia to refineries in Poland, Germany, Hungary, Slovakia and the Czech Republic, according to the Polish state news agency PAP. The incident comes amid heightened concerns about the security of Europe's energy infrastructure after Russia's invasion of Ukraine last year and following attacks on the Nord Stream gas pipelines that run from Russia to Europe. The second line is operating without any changes and the incident does not pose a threat to the health of local residents, according to the statement. Supply to Polish refineries is not impacted, PERN said, adding on social media that it is in contact with German partners who receive oil through the pipeline. Germany stopped buying Russian oil in January. Other elements of PERN's infrastructure, including the Pomeranian section, which is used to pump crude oil coming by tankers to Poland and then also to Germany, are operating in standard mode. The operator said, the Druzhba pipeline counts among the world's largest. It currently carries 1.2 million barrels to 1.4 million barrels a day, but can increase that to 2 million.